so much time.
What?
But it's worth it because I can see it's losing weight. So I'm like, oh no, okay, you asked for some food. I'm gonna make you something for the girl. Making up.
I've been without you for all this time. Good God. I'm bent out of shape. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle. And baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet. I can't help myself. You like candy. You like liquid honey. You taste so sweet. I can't help myself. You like candy. You like liquid honey. Oh. We're moving places I can't control. I don't know how. Nothing without you, I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle. And baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet. I can't help myself. You like candy. You like liquid.
Yeah, that's my favorite. How you know that?
Help myself.
How you know that?
Because
You like liquid.
I feel that
You like liquid honey.
that
You
one.
like liquid honey. No.
How you know?
You like liquid honey. You like
That's not his food. I'm like,
That one, that white food. That your food and that your food. That white food and that your food. That
no food.
yeah,
'cause-
that's our food.
That's not our food. You're right.
No, yeah.
You are funny, baby.
No, why not?
No, you're not. Okay, you're not funny.
Just joking. It's funny,
Boy,
but it is funny.
you are funny. Not is funny. You are funny. You are funny.
I am funny.
You say I am. So you say I am funny.
I am funny.
I am funny.
I is funny. You am funny.
Not is. I am. Say I am.
I am.
I am.
You am.
It says I am. You are. So it says I am. You are funny. I am. You are funny. So I am funny.
Stop it.
Right? Say you when you refer to yourself, you say I am. Okay?
Get that.
When you refer to somebody else, you say he is. Okay? No. When you refer to you, when you say I, when you're talking about yourself, look at me, Jalen. When you're talking about yourself, look. Pay attention. Put your listening ears on. Okay, good job. When you're talking about yourself, say I am. I am happy.
I am happy.
I am fun.
I am fun.
I am love.
I
I am handsome.
am
I am smart.
I am
I am diligent. You know that word? I am diligent. So that's what you say when you are referring to yourself, okay? Yeah. I gotta go back to the store because I gotta go get some stuff. Get your hand out there.
Why?
Because it's not yours. Ain't nobody-
Yes.
Okay.
Strawberry on my lips and your fingertips.
We're going to see Gigi. We're going to Florida, remember? We're going to the pool, to the beach. We're going to hang out for a little bit. Yeah, we're going on vacation.
Sunday afternoon. I'ma take my day off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer day.
On my heart, I love you, baby. Stay with me when we can see. I'm not putting no salt, but I'm doing salt. And I add a little salt when we're hitting on that. Let me see. Much better. So I have a little bit of salt. Not a lot. Maybe a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. But it's all, it's chickpeas, it's zucchini, it's tomatoes. It's good for you. I put a little shrimp in there so you can have a little more protein. Because I see you working out now. Now you eating more because you hungry all the time. Feel that. Listen, an act of love because I'm removing the tails from the shrimp. You just eat it and don't have to worry about the tails. Lemon pepper shrimp. Lay down real quick. Tell you why. Because I had on your shrimp. I'm gonna be doing shrimp in the kitchen. This garlic lemon pepper shrimp I made just now. Ooh! It's bomb. That's right. Ladies. Now that pussy. Now you coming other way. Some of y'all need to get behind that. Get in that kitchen, get behind that stove. But you don't want to hear that. So, here you are, still single. I'm just saying. I'm not going to be single. Not too much longer. Just watch.
Seeing eyes of mine. What if we beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometime.
Look good. Look good. Go. I'm not gonna take it to him. He's gonna send a car to pick it up.
Keys open doors when the keys is albino. Now knock on my door when my stars is albino. I've been fishing for a minute, Only I know that a pawn is a trade and a rookie for a castle like tuition for a final. Playing hooky